Have you ever pondered over the concept of non-mahram relationships in Islam? It's a topic that holds significant importance in the teachings of Islam, emphasizing the virtues of purity and modesty. In the realm of Islam, a non-mahram is an individual of the opposite gender who doesn't fall under the umbrella of your close relatives. This could be a friend, a colleague, or merely an acquaintance. When it comes to interactions with non-mahram individuals, Islam guides its followers to tread carefully, always in harmony with the teachings of the faith. Islam underscores the ethos of respect between men and women. It advises its followers to guard their gaze and not to indulge in unnecessary interactions. The objective here is to shield individuals from succumbing to temptation or engaging in any behavior that could be deemed inappropriate. However, don't misconstrue this as a prohibition on all interactions between genders. Islam, in fact, advocates for cordial, respectful exchanges that are rooted in modesty, decency, and the maintenance of appropriate boundaries. The rationale behind this concept is to uphold the sanctity and protect the honor of both men and women. By honoring these boundaries, individuals can cultivate wholesome and virtuous relationships that align with Islamic ethics. It's crucial to comprehend that the intention behind these guidelines isn't to limit personal freedoms. On the contrary, it's to reinforce the values of dignity, respect, and purity. So it's wise to remain conscious of our interactions, ensuring they align with the teachings of Islam, fostering a respectful and pure environment. In summary, the concept of non-mahram relationships in Islam is about respecting boundaries and promoting modesty and purity. It encourages respectful interactions between genders, while upholding the sanctity and honor of both men and women. This concept is not about restricting personal freedoms, but about reinforcing values of dignity, respect, and purity. We appreciate your time today. We trust you found this video informative. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content about the teachings of Islam.